That's our dog. Wow. Oh, I love it. I love it, Nancy. Oh, and there's the little bees. Oh. Oh, and you put Emma. Is that what it says? Yeah. That'll be sweet. She'll love that. Well, I met Nancy on the 4th of July, and I was just enjoying her paintings, and I asked her if she'd ever had done a home, painted a home, because I loved all the colors and all the, just how her animals had such life in them. And so I asked her to do my in-laws' house, and then that led me to do our own home. I just love how personal she makes it. I love just almost how whimsical it is in a way, just the happiness of the animals, and just the lightness of my paintings. So I've enjoyed working with Nancy. She makes you feel really loved and special, and she likes the story of the home, not just the painting. And I'm just looking forward to this being a family heirloom for many, many years for my kids and hopefully their children too. And thank you, Nancy, for everything.